Hi everyone, it's me Danny, and since I can't come up to Meeker all the time, I figured that a good way for me to talk to you guys would be for me to do fun science experiments and have you guys watch them and then ask me questions about them and maybe suggest new topics for me to do an experiment on, and I could do a video of that and send it up to you guys. So today I have a pretty fun experiment to show you guys. It involves liquids, because I heard you're going to start learning about solids and liquids, and liquids are pretty awesome. And this is one of my favorite experiments, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So what I have is vitamin C, which is what we use to keep us healthy, and I crush it up and put it in some water. I have this, which is called iodine, and I have a challenge question for you guys at the end of the video about iodine, and if you can answer it, hopefully I'll be able to send you guys something cool. I also have, it's called liquid starch. And starch is what we put on our clothes to keep them nice and crisp when we iron them. And I have some hydrogen peroxide, which is what we put on our cuts to keep them clean. And some just regular tap water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about a quarter cup of water in this one cup. And we're going to start and call this mixture A. So this is mixture A. And so in mixture A I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of iodine. So iodine, you can find it in pharmacies, and that's kind of a hint for the challenge question. Well, one hint, alright? So let's see what color this is. You see this? It's kind of a orangish brown. You see it over here? Okay, so we have mixture A, and what I'm going to do is to this I'm going to add the vitamin C, alright? I'm just going to add a little bit, and let's see what happens. Did you see that? Our mixture A, instead of being orange, it's clear now. See? Alright, so that's our mixture A. I'm going to set it aside, and we're going to use it later. Alright? Now for mixture B, I'm going to pour the rest of our water, another quarter cup, and I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Alright, so we have our hydrogen peroxide in our water, and I'm going to pour another teaspoon of liquid bleach in here, okay? Alright, so there's our mixture B. Now let's see what color mixture B is. It's kind of clear too. It's a little cloudy, but it's clear. Alright, so we have our mixture A and our mixture B. Let's see what happens when we mix them together. So I'm just going to pour it back and forth, make sure it's nice and mixed together, and then I'm going to set it aside and we're going to watch what happens. And to make sure I'm not doing any funny business, I have a clock set up. So you can watch the clock and make sure I'm not trying to fast forward or anything since I'm using a video. So I'm just going to pour it back and forth a few times, okay? And then set it right here. Alright, so let's watch what happens. So right now, in our new mixture, there's a battle going on between vitamin C and between the starch. The starch wants to change the iodine to a blue color, but the vitamin C wants to keep it clear. So let's see who wins in the end. Did you see that? That's pretty sweet, huh? It changed from clear, and now look at it. It's dark blue. Pretty cool, huh? I thought so, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So my challenge question for you that you can answer and then tell your teacher, and hopefully she'll send it to me, is what do we use iodine for? There's different things we use it for, and I just want to know one, but what's one of the uses of iodine? I already gave you a hint earlier in the video if you remember it. Hope you guys really like this experiment, and I'm going to try and do more of these and send them up to you guys to watch. And please, if you have any questions, let me know. And if you have any ideas of videos you want me to try and do for you, I would love to do them. Just let your teacher know and she'll let me know. Alright, thanks guys. I hope you have a great week. See ya.